Welcome to US Patriot News Channel. With the sinking of Moskva, the flagship of the Russian fleet in the Black Sea, the cards were redistributed in the region. The sinking of Moskva, the most critical ship of the fleet, was a very warm development not only for Russia but also for NATO. As a result of such a great loss, the moves of the Russian Navy are also curious. At the same time, NATO increased its activities in the Black Sea. In particular, the presence of the NATO-3, a Sentry observation aircraft in the region, attracted great attention. It is stated that the plane, which uses the airspace of NATO countries on the Black Sea border, completed its expedition after completing its reconnaissance activities in the region. Also noteworthy was the Boeing P-8A Poseidon, an American military anti-submarine patrol aircraft in the same area. The presence of these two important NATO aircraft in the region was also proof of how careful the West was about the accident of Moskva and Russia's reaction to it. Speaking about the ongoing Ukraine war, a U.S. official stated that the ammunition of the Ukrainian armed forces may be insufficient against the Russian heavy ground war that will begin in the coming days. He said that the depletion of 40,000 artillery shells and 18 pieces of 155 mm towed howitzer sent to Ukraine as part of the new security aid package by U.S. President Joe Biden showed the rate of exhaustion of the strength of the Ukrainian armed forces. At the same time, according to allegations from the region, U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin and Chief of Staff General Mark Milley frequently talk by phone about sending more weapons and ammunition to Ukraine in order to solve the security crisis. In recent days, the Pentagon has been making new attempts to support the defense of its allies, while increasing its arms aid for Ukraine to resist Russia.